Right, this is Archiescultures. We're just going to go through a little brief explanation of how to use your liquid culture syringe when it arrives to inoculate your sterilised grain spawn. Right, first thing we're going to do is just give my hands a spray with some 70% ISO. Right, you get your syringe, open it up. You should have two things in here. You should have your liquid culture. What I'm doing today is inoculate, isopropanol wipe, and your 18 gauge sterile needle. The first thing you want to do is hit your alcohol wipe and give your injection port on your jar a little wipe, get it clean. Now we're just going to turn the flow hood on. Give that another little wipe. Right, the needle you get with this should be sterile, so there's no need to do any flaming. If we open the end of the syringe to the airflow, get your needle put on. Right, take the cap off the needle. Now obviously your needle's sterile, and the top of the injection port is now sterile. So just gently push that through. Now we're wanting to put about 2 to 3 millilitres of liquid culture into the jar. Easiest way to do it is very slowly squeeze it around the outside. And yeah, that should do. Right, now we're going to take the needle out. And for the moment, we should put the cap back on. Right, now you can give it a little swirl around to get that liquid culture in the mycelium distributed through your grain. To sterilise rye grain I'm using here, I'll show you how to do this in a later video. Now, something I usually do is with liquid culture when we get them, you can make yourself some liquid culture jar. You can keep hold of this one that we've already used and make some more. So we give that a wipe, and then the rest of the liquid culture can go into the liquid culture jar. Now we can keep that for future use to make more liquid culture that we can use in the future. Now this grain jar here that we've inoculated is going to be put in incubation cupboard at 25 degrees, 30 degrees for a week, and then we should start seeing some mycelium growing, and we'll come back and have a look at that a little bit later on.